Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix the fail to download or apply critical settings error in Roblox. Now this is a very common mistake, common error. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is actually go into your start icon, right click it and open up the task manager. Now here we have the task manager. There's a load of options. What we want to do, we want to select a random performance and type R. Now we're in the R section, and here you want to look for any Roblox activity in the task manager, and you want to end it. Now how do you end it? It's very easy. Right click it and from there press end task. Now make sure to do this for all the Roblox tasks that are going on. Now the next step that we want to do is open up the search bar and type in run. Now here we have the system application run, and we want to type the following command, the percentage local app data percentage, as you can see right here, and press OK. Now from out here, what we want to do, we want to click a random folder and type R again. And here we have the Roblox folder. Now we want to open this up. We want to open the versions. And here you have all the current versions of Roblox. Now there's a faulty item in Roblox in one of these folders. So what we want to do, we want to right click it and go to show more options. And right here we want to delete all these folders. And from out there, what we want to do next is we want to go back to our browser, right here, type in a Roblox, go into a random experience, so let's say the please donate experience, and from there start the experience and reinstall Roblox through this way. Now this will fix the issue for you. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and thank you for watching.